Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? SM Makati, and let's review this Pop Mart pop-up store for our Pop Mart hobby. Let's go! At ayun na nga, nasa loob na agad tayo since wala namang bubong tong store na to. This is a open type Pop Mart pop-up store. So for our review, I think there are only 3 things that we will cover kasi yun naman yung very common and mostly yun lang naman yung gusto nating malaman or marinig when it comes to store reviews. So first will be the location. So the location of this is very nice for me kasi this is located lang naman sa SM. So pagbaba mo ng One Ayala, akit ka lang sa taas, then pasok ka ng SM, paglabas mo, you can easily see the store dun sa medyo labas na area ng depth store. So accessibility is very good, napakadali niyang puntahan. So that's for like the location. Then for the price naman, so ayan, kita nyo naman may mga tags, diba? So SRP pa rin naman yan, and standard naman yan to all Pop Mart na store. So syempre store price yan, and that's much more lower compared kung mag-online ka. Kasi dito, syempre, walang ganong patong, kumbaga. So, it's very affordable comparing to online. So, yun yung kinaganda ng sa mismong store ka bibili for your Pop Mart needs. Then, lastly is the variety. So, yung items nila dito, as you can see, madami naman siya. Di naman ganun na porket maliit lang yung store, kukonti na yung items nila. So, madami naman dyan, and updated din naman yung mga items na binibenta nila. Like kanina may One Piece, diba? So, if I'm not mistaken, latest at least yun. So, may mga nakatago pa silang box for extra stocks. So, talagang hindi naman ganun mauubusan ka kaagad dito. Then, yung dagdag ko lang siguro yung crowd. So, kumpara natin sa pinakamalapit for Pop Mart store, Mall of Asia. So, dito yung crowd is not that crowded. So, hindi ka dito like pipila ng sobrang tagal para makapasok, and that's an advantage kasi hindi ka mauubusan. Right? So, hindi mauubos yung oras mo paghihintay para lang makapasok, then wala ka na palang aabutan. So, dito, in a regular day naman, may mga tao naman sa loob, pero hindi ganun kadami. May mga peak time lang siguro. But, based on my experience coming here, ilang beses na rin, so, nakakapasok naman ako agad, and item-wise, madami naman. So, ayun lang naman guys, na-share ko lang. So, gusto nyo bumisit din kayo dito para ma-experience and makita nyo personally. Pero, this is a good place for Pop Mart collectors. Na-share ko lang. Peace.